Hello, I am Jacob, a co-trader of Hector Deville and a master trader of ForexLifeSignals.com. I hope you're having fun trading the Forex markets and even more profitably. Well, today I want to share with you our view about the euro against the American dollar, as we have analyzed with all of our members in our top-notch live trading room and signal service. Okay, all right, let's get going. Looking into the euro against the American dollar, this is the weekly time frame, and actually let me resize my screen. Okay, actually price has been in an uptrend. Okay, I am sure most traders we are caught in this uptrend. You can see the beginning of the trend, little swing right here, push to the upside, another push, swing back down, then that's overall a swing to the upside. Well, let's analyze this pair from the monthly time frame. That's top bottom. Now this is the monthly time frame. Let me take out the auto scroll feature so you can get exactly what I am talking about. All right, so we are going to concentrate on this area of the chart. That is what has been going on for some months. This is the high of that downtrend in the monthly time frame. It is the focal point. Change that color to pink. So whenever we see a pink line running in the shorter time frames, we know it is coming from the monthly time frame. Right, so that's a downtrend. Technically looking, if you also connect all of the swing lows, that one here, this one here, and this one here, you will find out price has been in a channel. Okay, so let's connect that. That's low. Let's get that right. Okay, so price has been in a channel in the monthly time frame, swinging up and down within that area. Right now we are back to around the upper boundary of the upper channel leg for a possible breakout to the upside or a bounce to the downside. That is all that we have in the monthly time frame. So now let's zoom into the weekly time frame to see what's been going on. All right, now this is the weekly time frame. What can we see here? Just like we have analyzed, is the trend line, the outer trend line. So we are going to draw that outer trend line. This time around we can begin that from here. Okay, this is just too micro, so we are going to let that go. In fact, it was a range, a flat top right here, flat top triangle that got broken before that push to the upside. So we are going to keep it here. This is our focal point, and we can change that to our blue color. So whenever we see a blue line running in our intraday chart, we know it is coming from the weekly time frame. Okay, so this level has been acting as support right here, support there, support right there. Again, the optimal level to be hit in the monthly time frame is still there. That's the monthly line. That means price still has some movement to the upside to make, and that also implies that the euro against the American dollar is still bullish, should still make some pushes to that area before we can see a bounce or a continuation move. So it is safer to keep searching for long opportunities in the euro against the American dollar. All right, now in the daily time frame, or you can even see that in the weekly time frame, you can see that hesitation there in the weekly time frame. We can analyze that in the daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame. All right, now we are now looking into the euro against the American dollar, the daily time frame. Let me adjust this line just for us to be more accurate. Okay, now return my chart to the normal zoom level. In the daily time frame, let's now analyze what has been going on here. Okay, what you have to do is to connect those swing points, those bounces, and this one right here. So on the daily time frame, we should have our color set to red. So whenever we see this, we see a red line running in the intraday time frame, so we know it's coming from the daily time frame. We know it belongs to a daily level of support or resistance. All right, so that's it. In the daily time frame, we have a flat top triangle. That means this area here has been acting as support, and this one has been acting as resistance. So the euro against the American dollar in the daily time frame is within a flat top triangle, where price is very close to that support zone. So from this point on, it's an optimal zone where traders should be looking for buy entries. Okay, it's either we get a bounce off that level or a breakout. But whenever you're trading off an optimal area, you want to set your stop loss few pips below the previous swing low. Okay, that's it. In case the price breaks below, it's going to kick your stop loss out. You take that little loss and walk away. But in the other hand, if price maintains that pattern and bounces to the upside, you are going to make this many pips, all of that in your account. Okay. All right. So in the 4 hours time frame, what do we have? Nothing really happening here. We can see that in the well, it seems we have a small triangle formation there. Have a small triangle formation. Can you see that? Let's draw that. Okay, that's the upper triangle boundary. We're using the color green. Whenever we see a green line in the shorter time frame, we know it's coming from the 4 hours time frame. All right, so that's it. Let me try to get this more precisely. In the 1 hour time frame, this should actually belong to the 1 hour time frame, so we'll mark that in black. All right, so currently price is trapped within a triangle formation in the 1 hour time frame. That means this is the intraday level of resistance, and this is the intraday level of support. So anytime price pushes to that level, it should find resistance to come back down. Here again, should find support to possibly push to the upside. Whenever price approaches these two levels, there are two possible outcomes: a bounce or a breakout. Okay, a bounce or a breakout. All right, so the euro against the American dollar, for now it is trapped within that triangle formation. Range traders will be looking to click on the sell button right there to take some pips, and the buy button right here to take some pips. But the overall directional bias for the euro against the American dollar in the very long term, as we have established, is still to the upside. Okay, all right, so that's basically it. If you are interested in the live trading room, we analyze all 28 major currency crosses where we show our members the possible long-term directional biases and our entries, and also how we manage our trade till the end. Okay, thanks for watching. Talk to you again much later. Bye bye.